There is a saying that age doesn't matter. However, in Korea, age definitely matters. To exaggerate, if we don't know someone's age, we can't even start a proper conversation. This is why we often ask for someone's age, even if we're not genuinely interested. Age is the key factor in determining the appropriate form of speech, known as honorifics, or
존댓말
in Korean. In Korean honorifics, there are three main categories: subject, object, and listener. In each category, there are different ways to convey respect. To use
존댓말
correctly, we must constantly consider factors such as the person's age, seniority, social status, level of intimacy, and the context of the conversation. This honorific system is such a key aspect of Korean culture that there are several expressions related to it. Here are a few expressions I'd like to introduce.
친구
Means friend. Due to the honorific system, the term friend has a very narrow definition in Korean. Friends are typically people with whom you can call by a given name or you, and they are only the same age and in the same school grade.
말이 짧다
Literally translates to your words are short. This phrase is used to express disapproval when someone is speaking informally when they shouldn't be.
말을 놓다
Means to lower your words. It refers to switching from honorific speech to informal speech. How do people in your culture show respect when speaking? I'd love to hear how it works in your language. In case this is your first time watching a video, I'm Sunny, your Korean study buddy, and you can learn more about Korean through stories and pictures with my videos.